Hey there, parents, guardians, or anyone who's ever seen a kid glued to a device, like it's the last slice of pizza at a party. We need to talk. You're not alone if you've ever thought, how do I gently guide this child away from their screen without causing a household uprising? I get it. Devices are like digital treats, super engaging, and trying to shift attention away from them can lead to, well, let's just say strong reactions. But here's the thing. It's not just about reducing screen time. It's about offering kids something more meaningful to do. Because let's be real, if the alternative to endless scrolling is staring at a wall, of course they'll choose the screen. Our mission? Make real life so fun, so engaging, that the device becomes the second most interesting thing in the room. First, let's understand why this is even a challenge. Our brains, yes, even kid brains, are wired to seek instant rewards. Alerts, videos, flashy games, they all deliver quick bursts of dopamine, the feel-good chemical. Real life? It's slower. Building a fort, reading a book, playing outside, those rewards take time. So, the key is to bridge the gap between the instant thrill of screens and the deeper joy of offline activities. Now, how do we do that without turning into the strict rule enforcers? Here's your action plan. Step 1. Offer alternatives, don't just restrict. Instead of saying, no more screen time, cue resistance. Say, hey, let's do this instead. Have a go-to list of engaging options: board games, DIY crafts, backyard adventures. The trick? Make it their idea. Kids love feeling in control. Try, we've got 30 minutes before dinner, want to build a pillow fort? Or try that new cookie recipe. Step 2. Model the behavior you want to see. Kids mimic what they see. If we're always on our devices, why wouldn't they be? So, lead by example. Set screen-free zones: dinner table, car rides, and stick to them. Bonus, you'll actually talk to each other. Novel concept, right? Step 3. Make real life fun. Turn offline time into a challenge. Who can find the weirdest shaped leaf outside? Can we beat our record for tallest Lego tower? Kids love competition and achievements. Use that. Even chores can be fun if you make it a race. First one to put away their laundry gets to pick the next movie. Step 4. Use tools to manage usage. Use apps that help balance screen time, like built-in parental controls on most devices. Set it up together. Kids are more likely to cooperate if they're part of the decision. Hey, let's make sure we both get enough time for other cool stuff too. Step 5. Embrace the power of boredom. Here's a secret. Boredom sparks creativity. If a kid says, I'm bored, resist the urge to hand them a device. Instead, say, great, boredom is where ideas are born. What's something you've never tried before? You'll be amazed at what they come up with. Now, here's your call to action. Pick one of these strategies and try it today. Just one. Maybe it's the offer alternatives trick. Or maybe you'll declare the next 30 minutes a screen-free adventure zone. Small steps lead to big changes. And hey, if you've got a funny or relatable "my kid and their device" story, drop it in the comments. Let's laugh and learn from each other. If this helped, hit like, share it with another parent navigating the same waters, and subscribe for more practical tips. Remember, we're not trying to eliminate screens. We're just making sure real life gets a fair shot. Now go forth and reclaim those precious moments, one unplugged adventure at a time.